Hey YouTubers, it's just another update on my Blu-ray Steelbook collection. Got this Steelbook in the mail today, so I thought I'd do a quick unboxing and show you. So here we go. It is the Willow Blu-ray Steelbook. So enjoyed this film a lot as a kid. Bought it mainly for nostalgia because I like the Steelbook, and just to watch it again, really, see if I liked it as much as I did as a child. So let's open it up. It's got a piece of card with it. And the Steelbook itself, it's got like a glossy feel to it, which is kind of nice. It's the front and the side and the back, which looks like it really does look like quite a nice Steelbook. And the inside, you get the one disc, and there's some artwork inside. It's all in black and white though inside. So yeah, that is the Willow Blu-ray Steelbook. Hope you like the video, and cheers for watching. See ya.